Welcome to my channel. Today we are making a common Chinese dish, bok choy with mushrooms. There are many ways to cook this dish. Today I will show you the easiest version. It is perfect for quick home cooking. Of course, there are more complex methods for better taste and appearance. I will introduce them in future videos. First, prepare bok choy mushrooms. Sliced garlic, minced garlic. Bring water to a boil. Add a little cooking oil and salt. Add the mushrooms and boil for 2 minutes. Add the bok choy and boil for 1 minute. This depends on if you like a softer texture, boil the bok choy longer. This is what bok choy looks like after boiling for 1 minute. If you prefer a crisp texture, boil it for only 30 seconds. Remove and rinse with cold water. Drain well and set aside. Add cooking oil to the pan over medium heat. Add the sliced garlic. Cook until the edges turn golden and fragrant. Add the prepared mushrooms and bok choy. Stir-fry briefly. Add soy sauce. Add dark soy sauce. Add oyster sauce. Add the potato starch slurry. Add the garlic slices. Stir fry over high heat. Serve quickly. Subscribe to my channel.